Hi, I'm Andy with Holiday Automotive. Today we're going to take a look at a 2012 Hyundai Sonata. Stock number is A5912B. Starting right away up front, you have a nice chrome grille. A look down the passenger side. You have alloy wheels wrapped with Goodyear tires. Inside, cloth interior. Seats are very clean all the way throughout. One more look down the passenger side, then swinging around to the back end. And we're going to take a look inside of the trunk area. There's plenty of room here in the trunk, as well as a 60/40 split on the back seats, so you can fold those down. Holiday Automotive is located on the corners of highways 41 and 23 in Fond du Lac. We're Wisconsin's largest used car dealer, so it's certainly worth the trip. You have audio, Bluetooth, and cruise controls here. Full stereo, that includes a CD player. Climate control, and your automatic transmission is here. I shoot videos today because I want to make sure whether you're coming from near or far, you can see this Hyundai on holidayautomotive.com. That's where you'll schedule your test drive and get a free vehicle history report provided by AutoCheck. All at holidayautomotive.com.